Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in a pot easy method. Bring a wide pot of water to a gentle simmer, add 1 tablespoon vinegar per liter, create a light whirlpool, and gently slip in cracked eggs one at a time. Cook 3 to 4 minutes for runny yolks, skim with a slotted spoon, drain briefly on paper towels, season with salt and pepper, and serve immediately on toast. Fresh eggs, calm water, and a gentle hand are the real secrets to consistent poached eggs. Crack each egg into a small cup, swirl the water to form a soft vortex, and slide eggs in close to the surface. Keep the simmer gentle so whites set without shredding. Time 3 to 4 minutes depending on yolk preference, then lift, rest briefly on paper towel, and plate warmly for best texture and flavor. If you're enjoying these poaching tips, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. There is a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find its practical clarity oddly comforting when planning breakfasts and budgets. Check the description for the link and any deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If your whites are wispy, check egg freshness and water temperature first. Avoid a rolling boil and keep a gentle simmer to let the whites wrap the yolk. Crack each egg into a cup to remove bits of shell and ease placement. Use 1 tablespoon vinegar per liter, but refrain from salting the water, which can thin whites. Stagger eggs by about 30 seconds to prevent crowding and maintain control over timing and doneness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.